everybody, again welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I will be showing how you can log out from your Facebook Messenger on your phone. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, watch this video till the end so you can know the process and follow it accordingly. And we will just dive into our video to show you something that if you go to your Messenger, then you will simply tap on this three horizontal line in your top left corner, tap on it, then you will simply tap on your profile again, and here you can see the accounts over here. So you have a switch account option. You cannot log out from your Messenger. Let me show you again. Even if you go to settings, if you scroll down, there is no option called logout. So you will simply have to go to your profile and you will simply have to switch to any other account that you have in your Messenger logged in. So if you do that, obviously you will be logged out from that particular account and get logged into another account. That's how you can do it. And the other thing that you can do is you will simply just go to your settings, go to apps, and here you can either search the particular app or you can just scroll down and find that. And once your app is there, you will simply tap on the storage option, tap on it. Here you can see the clear cache option. Simply tap on that and clear your cache. So if you tap on this clear data option and confirm it, you will get logged out from a Messenger. I'm not clearing my data because I do not want to do the same. I don't want to lose the data I have created over there, so that if you do that, then you will be logged out from your Facebook Messenger. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope I have given you the answers of your question, and yeah, thank you so much guys. I'll see you guys next time.